Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is a budget-friendly, high-performance 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and beginners alike. It features a 250 mm per second printing speed, making it significantly faster than previous Ender models, which enhances productivity without compromising print quality. The printer has a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, providing ample space for a variety of projects. A standout feature is the CR Touch auto leveling system, ensuring precise bed leveling for consistent prints, minimizing manual adjustments. It also includes the Sprite Direct Extruder, which supports autoload filament, improving feeding accuracy and reducing clogging, making it compatible with a range of filaments such as PLA, PTG, and TPU. The dual Z-axis and Y-axis design enhances stability and precision, ensuring smooth and reliable movement during printing. This design contributes to higher accuracy and better print quality, particularly for taller objects. Additionally, the printer's sturdy frame enhances durability and reduces vibrations. Assembly is relatively easy with its DIY design, making it an excellent choice for beginners wanting hands-on experience. The user-friendly interface and intuitive controls simplify operation, and the printer supports multiple connectivity options, including microSD cards and USB, enhancing convenience. Overall, the Creality Ender-3 V3 combines speed, precision, and ease of use at an affordable price, making it a versatile option for hobbyists, educators, and anyone looking to explore 3D printing. Number 2. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is a highly regarded DIY 3D printer known for its reliability, precision, and user-friendly features. Designed as a fun and educational assembly project, it's ideal for beginners and enthusiasts who want to learn about 3D printing from the ground up. This kit offers a print volume of 250 by 210 by 220 mm, 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, providing enough space for a variety of projects, from small prototypes to more complex models. A standout feature is its removable print sheets, which make it easy to take off finished prints without damaging them or the print bed. Multiple types of print sheets are available, including smooth and textured options, enhancing versatility and print adhesion. The 4 Malawian Kwachas is equipped with automatic calibration, ensuring accurate bed leveling and consistent print quality without manual adjustments. This feature makes it beginner-friendly while maintaining the high precision required by more advanced users. Prusa's user-focused design includes a color LCD interface that's intuitive and easy to navigate, enhancing the overall user experience. It supports various filaments, including PLA, PTG, ABS, and flexible materials, making it highly versatile. The kit also includes a filament sample, allowing users to start printing right away. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to detailed instructions, making it a fun and educational project. The robust design and high-quality components ensure durability and long-term reliability. Additionally, the open-source nature of Prusa printers means users benefit from a large, active community for support and upgrades. Overall, the original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is an exceptional choice for beginners and seasoned makers alike, offering a balance of ease of use, precision, and upgradability. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a high-speed, user-friendly 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced makers seeking efficiency and precision. It boasts an impressive printing speed of 500 mm per second, making it one of the fastest in its class, significantly reducing print times while maintaining high quality. The printer features an all-metal hot end capable of reaching temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing it to handle a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PTG, ABS, and more advanced materials. This versatility makes it suitable for various applications, from prototyping to functional parts. With a print volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, the M5C provides ample space for medium-sized projects. Its 7x7 auto-leveling system ensures accurate bed leveling and consistent print quality without the need for manual adjustments, enhancing ease of use and reliability. The M5C supports multi-device control, allowing users to operate it remotely through smartphones, tablets, or computers. This feature enhances convenience and monitoring flexibility, making it suitable for both home and professional environments. AnkerMake's intuitive design includes a straightforward setup process, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Its robust construction and high-quality components ensure durability and stable performance over time. Overall, the AnkerMake M5C combines high-speed printing, versatility, and user-friendly features, making it a great choice for anyone looking to enhance their 3D printing experience. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a compact, high-performance 3D printer designed for users seeking speed, precision, and ease of use. It features multicolor 3D printing capabilities, enabling vibrant and detailed prints without manual filament changes, ideal for creative projects and prototyping. One of its standout features is the quick setup process, allowing users to assemble and start printing in just 20 minutes, making it highly accessible for beginners. Despite its small footprint, it delivers high-quality prints with exceptional precision, suitable for both hobbyists and professional users. The A1 Mini is equipped with full auto-calibration, ensuring accurate bed leveling and consistent print quality without manual intervention. Additionally, it features active flow rate compensation, which automatically adjusts filament flow for optimal layer adhesion and surface finish. These features simplify the printing process while enhancing reliability and precision. Operating at a noise level of less than or equal to 48 dB, the A1 Mini is one of the quietest FDM 3D printers available, making it suitable for home, office, or educational settings. Its compact design saves space without compromising functionality. With high-speed printing capabilities, the A1 Mini balances speed and accuracy, significantly reducing print times while maintaining excellent detail. It supports a variety of filaments, expanding creative possibilities. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an ideal choice for users looking for a quiet, fast, and precise 3D printer with multicolor printing options. Its ease of setup, advanced calibration features, and compact design make it an excellent option for beginners and experienced makers alike. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit is a user-friendly and reliable 3D printer designed for educational settings, home use, and professional prototyping. It is known for its ease of use and fast PLA material printing, making it ideal for beginners and educators looking for a hassle-free experience. One of the standout features is the swappable Smart Extruder Plus, which enhances performance and minimizes downtime by allowing easy replacement if needed. This extruder is optimized for PLA filament, ensuring consistent and high-quality prints. The printer offers a build volume of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, providing ample space for a variety of projects, from educational models to functional prototypes. It comes with a factory-leveled flex build plate, ensuring accurate bed leveling and easy removal of finished prints without damaging the build surface. Designed with ease of use in mind, the Replicator Plus is compatible with MakerBot's user-friendly software, which allows seamless integration with educational tools and cloud-based printing management. This makes it an excellent choice for classrooms and collaborative workspaces. The printer's robust construction and reliable performance are complemented by its quiet operation, making it suitable for home and school environments. It also supports connectivity through Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet, providing flexibility for remote monitoring and management. Overall, the MakerBot Replicator Plus is an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable, easy-to-use, and versatile 3D printer. Its smart extruder, factory-leveled plate, and educational software compatibility make it particularly well-suited for classrooms and beginner users.